Hi, I'm Steve Jones, and I'm going to look at some maths tips and tricks. Well, I'm not going to look at many, I'm going to look at one actually. But it represents a whole idea, and the idea is make it fun. And tips are generally find puzzles, find games in which mathematics is important. This is a very simple one. I think many people have seen this. You take a set of numbers. Here I've got 100, 75, 25, 15, 10, 2 and 1. And from those numbers I have to make up a number 322. Well, I know this one is easy because I can make up 322. 100, if I get the 2 and the 1 I get 3, so that's 100 times 3, 300. I've got a 25. 15 plus 10 is 25 also. I can use those either way round. 75 divided by 25 gives me 3. I take the three numbers, add those two, take that one away, I get 322. Well, that's easy. Everybody can do that. But then what you do is you say, okay, let's not make it 322. Let's make it a different number, 250. Again, it is simply a process where they have to look at the numbers they've got, they have to do quick mental calculations to find the different possibilities. They can add, they can subtract, they can multiply, they can divide. They can do anything, but the result will be a number, or not necessarily the number, or the person who gets the nearest number to that number. So the most important point is to make the maths interesting and make it fun. And that's my best tip.